this lecture, we will talk about getting started with Pandas in Python. So about Pandas. Pandas is an open source Python library for highly specialized data analysis. It is currently the reference point that all professionals using the Python language need to study for the statistical purpose of analysis and decision making. Pandas is designed on the basis of the NumPy library, so it not only makes this library compatible with most other modules, but also takes advantage of the high quality of the NumPy model. Pandas provides two new data structures called series and data frames, which are designed to work with relational data or labeled data, thus allowing you to manage data with features similar to those designed for SQL relational database and Excel spreadsheets. So Pandas provides also an extended set of functions and methods that allow you to perform operations efficiently. So installation of Pandas. So for those who choose to use Anaconda distribution, so managing the installation is very simple. First, you have to see if the Pandas module is installed, and if so, which version. To do this, type the following command from the Anaconda prompt window. So just print conda list pandas. So for example, on my PC, since I have the module installed on my PC, I get the following results: pandas and version, and this channel just says OK. So if you do not have Pandas installed, you will need to install it, and the following command in Anaconda prompt window is print conda install pandas and follow the instructions. After you have installed Pandas, you can start Pandas. So the general practice for importing the Pandas module in Python session, for example, we start Anaconda spider, then can print import pandas as pd, then import numpy as np. So this is a standard format for most of the Python user if you want to use pandas and numpy. So next, for example, we can create a series data structure. So to create the series, you simply call the series constructor and pass as an argument an array containing the values to be included in it. For example, we can create a series called S. To the right side, print pd.series. Just note that this S is capitalized series, and inside the parentheses is a bracket with 4 values. And we can also create a series with index. So pd.series and with a value here, and index. Index actually is the column for the first column. So this is the value, this index. So next we can use s.values can print out the value, and s.index can print out the index. So in Pandas, we can also define a data frame. So the most common way to create a new data frame is precisely to pass a dictionary object to the data frame constructor. This dict object contains a key for each column that you want to define, with an array of values for each of them. So for example, we can create a data frame called data, and we can create a dictionary called data, and this dictionary has 3 key value pairs. So the first is the key is color, and the value is a list with 5 value, and next key is object, and this is the value, and the third key is price and 5 value. So next we can create a data frame called frame, and the right side write pd.dataframe. Both D and F are capitalized. pd.dataframe, then we input the data here. Data is a dictionary. So the data frame with 3 columns and column's name is color object place will be created. We will show this in Anaconda Spider. We see the file called section 11 pandas introduction.py, and the links to this file will be put in the description of the video. So import pandas as PD first, import NumPy as NP. This is standard, although in this source file NumPy has not been used, but usually we import both. Then we can declare a series. Run this first. Then we will create a series called S. Just write PD series and 4 values in the brackets. Then we can show S. As you can see, this is the value, 4 values, and 0 to 3 is the 4 index. So series will automatically append index in this variable, and we can create a series, and with index we assigned. So this time we'll show the S. So index is ABCD, which has been assigned in the creation, and S.values can show the values. Is an array with these 4 values, and S.index index ABCD. And we can define a data structure first, create this dictionary, then we can create data frame called frame. We'll show this frame. Also has an index 0 to 4, 5 row, and column is 3 column, and this column's variable name, which are the keys in this dictionary, and this value are the values in the dictionary will be added into the column of this data frame. Analysis and decision making. Pandas is designed on the basis of the NumPy library, so it not only makes